Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to your YouTube channel. And I am really sorry that I am recording those very basic videos, but I noticed that many researchers, especially very young researchers without experience, they tend to underestimate the use of software as referencing system, and they believe that is quite time consuming. So usually, as you must be aware, many years ago, probably a couple decades ago, our colleagues from Microsoft, they installed here inside Microsoft Word a mechanism for inserting citations and bibliography. However, if you are doing a very short document and you are not collaborating with somebody else, that kind of citation probably can be good and it's not so time consuming. However, when you are in a research environment and you are collaborating with many people, time to time the use of referencing system can take a long time. So today I would like to tell you about one of my favorite software for reference management. And this is, you must notice over here, this is the famous Mendeley. Mendeley is one of the many software that you can find even online about referencing system. However, I highly suggest this one because it's not only organizing your reference, it's also helping you to import them and also helping on the citation and the Microsoft Word. So the first thing that I want to do is I need to install the Mendeley desktop application. But to be honest, I prefer to use the very old version, the 1.19.3. And that version, I love to use this version because you can keep the control of many features. So what I am doing now is I'm going to Google and then I want to download this one, and I press over here and it's downloading, and after downloading I will install this one. Okay, now Mendeley installer is and Microsoft Windows are asking me for authorizing this installation, and let's go and install. Okay, right now we are installing this version. This is the 1.19.3, and in a minute I will show you some of the features, but this is extremely useful. Okay, right now we are running automatically after the installation, and the software will allow you will ask you for the data of your account. And remember, you can get an account for free. I will put here stay connected, and now what I will do is, okay, yes, now what I will do is, no, now I don't want to update. Now I will install the web importer, and I will say yes, I want the web importer, because this is one of the amazing tools that will make your life easy when you are importing references and getting new reference done. Okay, now the next step is I want to install this plugin inside Microsoft Word, and let me go and see how the things are going inside Microsoft Word. I will go here to references, and now we have here Mendeley, cite, and automatically. Okay, what I want to do now is I will show you how useful is this. Okay, so as you can see here, you can control your references and so on. This is the main desktop. As you can see over here is downloading and updating my references. However, what I will do is I will use one of the documents that I can find here in this computer, and let me use this document in order to show you how easy it is to get the citation and references in a second. Okay, So what I will do is I will use this document. Let me copy here. Let me change here the name. So now what I will do is copy this and I will put here in the screen. Yes, let me open this document. Here we are inside Microsoft Word, and there is here a document that I want to include very fast the citation, reference, and reference list. So let me do the following. Let me find here, oh, here we are. There is a hyperlink, and I click here, and I go to the website, okay? Imagine that I want to use this document in my Microsoft Word. So what I need to do is use this plugin, the Mendeley Web Importer. And as you can see, it's connecting to my repository, and you can see that it's already collecting the data. This is the Government of Nepal Water and Energy Commission. And what I will do is I will add this into my reference in Mendeley. So right now what I will go is I will go inside Mendeley and let me synchronize. And as you can see over here, we have this document. This is the Government of Nepal, blah, 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 blah. And you can check if the details are correct or not, or also you can improve this. However, my job here is to show you how fast you can insert a citation using the Mendeley. What I want to show you is, what I want to show you now is how fast you can insert. You can go here, press the insert, go to Mendeley, identify the reference that you want to do, and then cite. And as you can see, right now you insert here the citation. You can use, if you want, if you prefer, you can use the IEEE, or if you prefer to use this, or if you prefer to use the APA. So this is the citation here at the text. However, what is very important is that at the very end of the document, you can insert here the bibliography. And now you have here the full list of reference. So you can see how fast you can use this. And especially what I like is this Mendeley importer. Well, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you at the next one. Bye now.